Today we're demonstrating how Cyclr's MCP PaaS enables you to deliver a customer-facing embedded MCP marketplace from within your SaaS application, enabling your customers to activate an MCP server in your SaaS application with one click. Imagine your customer is in Claude Desktop and wants to enable a custom connector to your SaaS application. All they have to do is to visit your own marketplace, fully embedded within your application, and which can be styled to match your brand. The customer selects the desired MCP server and enables it instantly. The system then automatically generates the required URL, client ID, and client secret based on OAuth 2.0. Once activated, the customer can connect Claude to the MCP server, allowing Claude to invoke tools through the MCP connection. Behind the scenes, the MCP server is installed and deployed into your customer's isolated account within Cyclr's unique multi-tenancy architecture. And all transactions generated through the MCP connection are available in the audit trails.